Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson. Think before you speak. Through the previous video, we have come to know about the statement given by Benjamin Disraeli, in which he mentioned why man should listen more and speak less. Besides that, we came to know about what are spoken and unspoken words. So to understand why unspoken words are important, or why must we think before speaking, here in this lesson only we have to go through one of the stories. Let us see that story, which begins from the second last paragraph on page number 75. Here it is. A young man went to his spiritual teacher and said, I have spoken very harsh and unkind words to my friend, and he is deeply hurt. I am afraid I have lost my friendship with him. How can I make amends? So here amends means that is make up for the wrong that has been done, or just to overcome whatever wrong happened and again become friend of that person or that friend. So what is mentioned over here? A young man who went to his teacher, spiritual teacher, and told whatever he spoke or how he spoken to his friend, and the man was afraid that he had lost his friendship with him, and now he wanted to do the friendship again. So what shall he do? That is that was his problem, and to get the answer to this, he had gone to his teacher. What is the reply of his teacher? Let us see. The wise teacher gave him a fresh sheet of blank paper and a pen, and he said to the young man, write down on this paper all the harsh things you said to him. So instead giving him reply or answer, the teacher asked him to write all those harsh words on the paper. He also provided the paper and pen to him. The young man did as he was told and showed the paper to the teacher. Now, what the teacher said? Now, tear this sheet of paper into as many small bits as you can, the wise teacher said. So at first, teacher asked him to write all those harsh words on the paper, and now asking him to tear that sheet of paper into many pieces, many bits. Soon the single sheet was torn into 100 tiny bits of paper. So as he was told, he wrote and then torn the paper into hundreds of pieces. What is further? Throw the bits out of this window, the teacher told him. So as he was told to throw out the pieces or the bits of paper, they scattered, they spread like this, shown in this picture. What is further? That was easily done. It was a windy day, and the tiny bits were scattered far and wide, even as the young man watched. All the bits of paper, they scattered, spread, because the day was windy. There was enough air, and because of that, all this paper just scattered, spread. Now, go out into the street and collect as many bits of the paper as you can, the teacher ordered him. So it was the next order by the teacher to that young man. The young man was taken aback Here taken aback means he wondered, shocked, but that will be difficult. He stammered, and stammering with hesitation, he said to his teacher that it was difficult to collect the bits of paper. It will be difficult indeed, but do give it a try, the teacher suggested. Now the teacher suggested him to go and just try and see how many of bits of paper you can collect. What is further? The young man went out. He returned half an hour later, exhausted. He was exhausted, that young man, tired. He did not, he had not been able to get hold of a single torn bit of paper. Bit from the paper he had torn up just a while earlier. So as it was windy day, due to that wind or air, the bits of paper got scattered, and when the young man went out to collect, he couldn't collect a single torn bit from the paper. And to do that he had spent half an hour, and because of that he was exhausted, tired. What is further? This is what happens with the spoken words. Spoken word. The teacher said to him, once you have spoken the words aloud, it is very difficult to take them back. Therefore, learn to think before you speak in anger. So as it was windy day, the bits of paper scattered and he couldn't collect a single bit of paper. The same way, whenever you are angry, young man, whenever you are angry and spoke two words, they become spoken words, and you couldn't take them back, or you couldn't take a single word back. So this is what happened with the spoken words. And so the teacher of that young man suggested him that learn to think before you speak in anger. So instead speaking in anger, we must think. It is the message of this part of the lesson, that we must think before speaking, or else we may lose that relation. So this is all about the story related to think before you speak from this lesson. A remaining part of this lesson we will see through the next video.